In this new tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on your Amazon account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching it until the end, and let's get right into it without any further ado. The first thing you need to do is open up the website of Amazon.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, just click on the option which says Accounts on List, and then this drop down menu will open up, from where you'll need to open up the Accounts section or the Accounts option. From the Accounts page, you can see a section of Login and Security. Just click on it, and then firstly you need to type in the password to verify yourself. Once you're in this section, you'll be able to see all of your information such as your name, username, and the phone number that you've added in. Now to change your phone number, you can just click on the edit button that you see right here. So just click on edit and type in a new phone number that you want to add in. Once you add in a phone number, you can click on continue, and a OTP will be sent to the mobile number that you just entered. In the next section, you just need to enter in the OTP and your new mobile number will be successfully added on Amazon. So that was a quick and easy video of adding in or changing mobile number on your Amazon account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.